Automatic media calibration. Performing an automatic calibration on a ZT610 ZT620 printer. Zebra recommends calibrating the printer whenever the media type is changed, and for most types of media, auto-calibration is adequate. To place the image in the correct position on the media, we must first identify the features in the media that the printer is detecting. Then make sure the sensors in the printer are set up to detect those features. If the media has a gap, also referred to as web, or has holes or notches, select gap/notch in the menu. If the media has a black mark on the underside of the media, select mark in the menu. If the media is a continuous roll with no start position feature, select continuous in the menu. Please note the label length on continuous media is controlled by the file that is printing. Set the sensor type in the menu. For black mark media, set the sensor type to reflective. For all other types of media, set the sensor type to transmissive. Load media and ribbon. Make sure the media and ribbon are fully inserted. If there are any media handling options such as a peel, liner take-up, or a cutter, please calibrate in those modes. If using media with a gap, also referred to as a web, or a hole, or a notch, make sure the sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Move the sensor to a location where the light passes through the notch or hole. Try to avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If the media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If using media with print on the other side, try to locate the sensor away from the print so the sensor does not get a false reading. The printer may be starting without any media or ribbon loaded and the printer displaying a media out error. Touch wizards. Touch print. Touch start print. Touch print type, direct thermal or thermal transfer. Touch the check mark. Touch media type, continuous, mark, or gap/notch media. Touch the check mark. Enter the label width. Touch media handling method. In this video we are using the tear option. Touch the check mark. Open the media door. Open the print head assembly. Load the media and ribbon into the printer. Close the print head assembly. Touch X. Touch check. The automatic calibration will begin. Touch X to not print a test label. Touch check to not adjust the tear line offset. Touch home. Tear off any used media. Close the media door. Press pause. Press feed to confirm the calibration of the printer. The printer is calibrated with the installed media. The process can be repeated whenever the media size or type is changed.